Hey everyone! Welcome back to another video. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. So as you know, we all use Character.AI to chat with our favorite characters, and it's pretty fun, not gonna lie. But I get very sad when Character.AI filters all the messages just because I wanted to do some spicy role plays with my characters. It's really annoying. And not only that, Character.AI also announced age verification too, which is so bad. So that's why I recently found a pretty awesome Character.AI alternative that is absolutely free to use, and which also has no filters on it too. Yeah, and this platform is called StoryChat. StoryChat is an AI chatting and role-playing platform where you can chat with all your favorite characters. It's a pretty famous platform and a lot of people loves it. I made a whole video about it previously, and everyone absolutely loved it. On StoryChat, you can chat with your character for absolutely free. And they have no filters too. So no matter how spicy your roleplays are, you can do it here. Pretty awesome, right? You can create your account and start chatting with your characters too. Make sure to use my code AIPLO for using it. Also, let me tell you about a new update that was just released by StoryChat. It's actually pretty interesting too. StoryChat has just now released a brand new feature called Mood Snap on their platform too. Yeah. And with the help of this new feature, your AI characters will be able to send you their expression and mood images during chatting. Yeah, I am not joking. When you chat with your characters, they will send you images of their expressions too based upon the story. In this way, your AI chats and roleplays will feel more alive and crazy. I absolutely love this feature. This is so awesome. Let me tell you about how you can use this new feature. So to use the Mood Snap feature on StoryChat, you will first have to find a character that has the Mood Snap feature enabled on it. It's pretty easy to find. If a character has this icon on it, then it means that the character has the Mood Snap feature enabled, which means that you can chat with them with images. Yeah, you simply have to click on it and start chatting with them. And then the characters will send you all the different expression images during the roleplays. Pretty amazing. You can even make your own character with expression too. Yeah. For making your own characters with expression, you simply have to click on the Create Character button. And after that, you need to fill all the details. Once you have done that, StoryChat will ask you to upload all the various different expression images that you want to use while chatting. You just have to click on the plus icon, and then it will ask you to upload the image. Once the image is uploaded, you can choose which emotion should trigger this specific image. After you selected the emotion, you simply have to press save, and then the emotion image will be added. This is how you can add emotions to your characters. You can add up to 100 different emotions. That is totally awesome. After that, you can hit the Create button and your character will be created. You can then select the character from here and start chatting with them all you want. And then you can enjoy your role plays while watching the emotions of the characters. This is how the brand new Mood Snap feature works. This is really a very cool feature. Many creators are now making their characters with this feature. And this will make this platform totally unique and awesome. I really love it, not gonna lie. You should also try it, everyone. What do you think about it, everyone? Tell me in the comments. I will be ending the video now. Make sure to like and subscribe for more latest updates. I will see you all in the next one. Goodbye, everyone.